Guys, we got a Ford Taurus. This is an 01 model, and I was just going to show you we had a bad turn signal light, which you can see I've already replaced, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change it out. It's real simple to do. These are your turn signals for this car, for the 01 Taurus. You got 3357A. So that's the one you're going to need right here. They're tinted, and this was one of the ones that came out. The tint had already come off, so the orange amber was coming off and it burned out. So anyways, first thing you're going to do is you're going to come right here and you're going to remove the little 8mm bolt. Once the 8mm bolt's removed, you sit it out of the way. You're going to come up, you got a pin, and it's real simple. They literally just pull straight up. Once that one's out, sometimes I'll take the other pin, literally I'll come over to the other one, and all you do is just pull straight up. Let me show you. Like I said, I just literally hook that on there, pull straight up. Once you get it out, boom, that's out like that. And this is for your headlight too. Just come up here real easy, don't break nothing, it just sits under. There's a little teeny lip right here, so you just pop it right out of that and just slide forward. At the bottom. Let's try this again. Harder to do when you got one hand filming and one hand grabbing the things. Otherwise I would have just slid right out so easy. Alright, this is where your headlight goes, up in here. And this one, like I said, they just turn, is all they do. Once you turn it, then it pops out. As you see, I was just turning it. Now for the turn signal, you reach right up in here, literally just turn down sideways, and boom, out your light. All you do is just literally just pull this right here. Let's see if I can sit the camera down and do this so you can see it. I do right here. Okay. Technical difficulties with no one helping me film. Alright, I can barely see. Well, see the sky, but as you see, I pulled it out right there. All you do is just slide it back in. It is so easy to do. I mean, if this is your first time, it's just literally slide right in, boom. There you go, done. Stick it back in the hole. There's some prongs in there. You got 3 prongs. Line them up, slide it, locks into place, and put back together is reverse order. Let's see if we can show you. Of course, it's going to go back together a lot easier that time than you watching me struggle getting it out. Imagine that. I usually just stick the bolt right there so everything's lined up. Make sure you lined up right here. This little guy goes right in there. Some of these break. They're real, you know, they're kind of fragile in a way. And then you just kind of, and then boom, done. See, it's just that simple. You just changed your headlight on your 01 Ford Taurus or your turn signal light, just that easy. Now you can also go to Advanced and they'll change them for you for free, you know. But if you do it yourself that night, say on, you know, don't want to be driving around with a burned out light, headlight, or turn signal, you can replace them yourself. Done deal.